Hello, in this video I will show you how to use the Stripe checkout payment method in ARMember. Stripe has already been configured in ARMember. The Stripe setup process was covered in a previous video, and the link is available in the description. Now let's see how the Stripe checkout payment method works. Go to the ARMember General Settings page. Now open the Payment Gateways page. This is the Payment Gateways page. Scroll down and locate the Stripe Payment Gateway section. The Stripe Payment Gateway has already been configured here. Now select the Stripe checkout payment method and save the changes. Changes saved successfully. Now go to the front-end setup page. Now select the plan you want to purchase and choose the preferred payment cycle. Enter the sign-up details. Select the Stripe payment method and click the Submit button. This is the Stripe checkout page. Enter your card details. After entering all the required details, click the Subscribe button. See, the plan has been purchased successfully. Now go to the admin side payment history page. This is the payment history page. Here you can see all payment-related records. See, the first record is the newly added Stripe checkout payment record. That's it. This is how the Stripe checkout payment method works in ARMember.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.